Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Cassie and I'm here again with another banger. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and join the family. Here it is all fun, healthy recipes, amazing meal prepping ideas and lifestyle in general. So what are you waiting for? You need to join the family right now. In today's video, we're going to be making an amazing recipe. You know, whenever it comes to food, I always bring you unique, nutritious, and tasty meals. In today's video, we're going to be making bell pepper sauce, and this sauce, English, and this bell pepper sauce is so tasty. You're going to love it. It is so different from the normal sauces that you actually make. So I'm going to show you how to make this simple bell pepper sauce, and I'm sure you're going to love it. You can have it with anything, with rice, with pasta, with potatoes, with beans, anything that you want. My recipe books are still available for download. I have one recipe book for sale and two that are free. So you can check the description box for the link, okay? So now let's go straight into the kitchen. I'm going to show you how to make this amazing bell pepper sauce. You're going to love it. Like, this is totally different from the normal sauce that you know. Let's get straight into the video. Today, the spirit is up. Let's go and cook.
If you're still watching, kindly subscribe, like, and share this video. So, for our ingredients, we need some bell peppers, of course, because we're trying to make bell pepper sauce, right? So, you're going to get your bell peppers. I have yellow, red, and green. I also have some onions, garlic, and ginger. I'll be using about 4 cloves of garlic. I have some tomato puree and some red chili and scotch bonnet pepper. And for our protein, we'll be using some turkey. So you can use chicken, you can use beef, anyone. So the first thing I'm going to do is to season my turkey because I'm going to fry it a bit before I would then cook it in the bell pepper sauce itself. So I'll be using some nutmeg, red chili, garlic powder, and some parsley leaves. Um, and one important thing that you need to understand is when you're trying to season your protein, make sure that you massage everything into the protein. So now we're going to slice our bell peppers. Of course, I cannot forget my new subscribers. You guys are welcome to the family. Here it's all fun, healthy recipes, amazing meal prepping ideas, and you're welcome. Yes. And to my returning subscribers, you guys are amazing. Thank you so much for joining. Do not forget to like and share this video. This recipe is pretty simple, and I really love the fact that you can have this with anything. So I'm just going to cut my bell peppers into chunks because we're going to blend them. If you have a food processor, that is awesome. Please use a food processor because we're not going to blend it to be very smooth. We're just going to blend it roughly. I think that's the word, yeah. So after slicing, I just finished slicing the yellow bell pepper. I'm also going to slice the green bell pepper. If you do not have probably one of the bell peppers, it's still fine. As long as like bell pepper is the main ingredient in the sauce, it still works. Okay. So once we're done with that, we're going to fry our turkey because I allowed the turkey to marinate for like 15 to 20 minutes. And I'm just going to fry the turkey first before I would then add it into the sauce for it to cook proper. Now back to our slicing. We still have our red bell pepper to slice, and I'm just removing the seeds, and I've already washed this. Just cut them into chunks so that it will be easy to blend. If you have a food processor, that's really good because it just blends once and you have that rough texture. Okay, so once we're done slicing this, we're going to slice our onions. So anyhow you want to slice your onions, just slice the onions. Some onions just has to be in the sauce. So tell me in the comment what your favorite sauce is. I actually love to have like different kind of sauce for the week so that it will not just be the regular stew. that we usually have on Sundays or Saturdays. This sauce is lovely. You would love it with rice. You would love it with pasta. You're going to love it with potatoes. You're going to love it with anything. Just make the sauce and try it out. I'm sure you're going to love this. And you know that bell peppers and peppers generally they contain a lot of vitamins and minerals, and it's actually very good. Make sure you clean your environment while you're cooking. Now it's time to blend all our bell peppers. I added the yellow bell pepper. I'm also going to add the red and the green. So basically what we're doing here is just to get the base for the sauce, and it's pretty simple. Add your peppers depending on how spicy you want this to be. Add more pepper. And now we'll have our ginger and garlic. I like to add some rosemary spice to this. This actually gives it a lovely flavor. If you have some rosemary spice, just add it. And I added very little water, and we'll blend this just once. And this is what we have. So this is how the mixture should look like when you blend. Straight to our pot, I added some olive oil. This is about 3 tablespoons, some salt, and our onions. And we're going to saute the onions for about 1 minute, and our sauce is getting ready. I'm really excited about the sauce because it is very, very tasty. I added some turmeric, some parsley, some nutmeg powder, and I'm just going to stir this together to show you how amazing the sauce is. It doesn't really need so much spices because the bell peppers they have a very unique and distinct flavor. So it gives everything, like it just brings out the whole taste. So I added the mixture, our bell pepper blend, and we're going to allow this to saute for some time. Add your seasoning powder, add some crayfish if you have some crayfish, and allow this to cook for some time. Now, after about 2 minutes, this is what it looks like. We're going to put in our tomato puree. Now, the tomato puree I used is some fresh tomatoes that have been blended and added with some spices, and I kept it in the refrigerator. So, for this particular recipe, I did not use tin tomato paste. We just want to have that natural taste and flavor. Now you're going to put in the turkey. As you can see, our turkey is looking so, so good. And we all know that turkey cooks fast. So just put in that fried turkey into the sauce. And we're going to allow this to cook with it. And guys, like play. Bell pepper sauce is ready. Oh. You need to try this out. Like you really need to try it out. Now our sauce is looking so, so good. I'm just going to give that a good stir. And if you want to add some more pepper, well, you can do that, but this is perfect. I can't wait to have this with hot rice. Tell me in the comments what you would love to have this with. I think this would also go well with yam. Yes, this would go well with some hot yam. Tell me in the comments if you're going to try this out, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments what recipe you would love to see next on my channel, and of course do not forget to like and share this video. Our bell pepper sauce is ready, guys. It is ready, so let us eat. What if I told you that it would be so easy for you to make tasty and healthy meals like this? All you need to do is send me an email. My email addresses are down in the description box, and I can create a personalized meal plan just for you.
Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this video and if you're going to try this recipe out. Trust me, you're going to love it. It is very simple, it is versatile, it is unique, it is tantalizing, it is amazing, it is loving, it's everything. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. My recipe books are still available, like I said earlier, so do not forget to get that. And I'll see you in my next video. Make sure you stay healthy and drink water. Mind your business as well.